plan to take the NCLEX, ito lang message ko, huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong matakot sa NCLEX, just go for it and take the exam. Kasi medyo, yun eh. Yun yung nagpapapigil sa atin. Yung takot natin na medyo mahirap yung NCLEX. Kaya siya, possible siya, kaya siyang ipasa.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from NASHA, Business Consultancy Services, and with me is Nurse Gaylord Lopez Candia, RN, USRN from Tondo, Manila. We have assisted Nurse Gaylord with his NCLEX USA exam application process, and today he will share his journey of becoming a USRN and his experience in choosing NASHA with his NCLEX USA journey. How are you, sir? Can you introduce yourself?
Hello po, sir. My name is Gifford Chandra. Yun.
USRN.
USRN. Hindi pa kasi official eh. So, waiting pa ako sa official result po.
Yes, sir. But you already passed the NCLEX and indicated sa person view na pass na tayo. We will just be waiting for your license to be posted in nurses. Pero USRN na po kayo niyan, sir. Okay?
Sige po, sir. Thank you.
We are really excited to know what are your reasons and motivation why take the NCLEX and become a registered nurse in the US.
Yung may motivation to take the NCLEX is of course to upskills po. Nowadays po kasi po mahirap po kasi na stagnant lang po tayo kung ano po yung mga natutunan natin. So it's better po na nag-upgrade po din tayo. So that's why I decided to take the NCLEX, not only for me to of course to plan to work in US someday, but also to to develop or to explore another possibility in nursing career po.
Wow, that's really good, sir. And there's a lot of opportunity waiting for you since you already passed the NCLEX. Ang main ticket lang talaga natin for us to get hired is to pass the NCLEX. And of course, if mayroong work experience, edge natin yan. And good thing about NASHA, we are in partnership with different employers and facilities across the US that offer sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses like you. So we can definitely endorse you to our partner. Sir, going back with your application process, can you share your exam preparation and review? How many months po tayong nag-review? And then, what are your strategies? Did you have a study guide?
Okay. Actually, sir, since I am working that time, so hindi po siya ganun kahaba yung preparation ko. To tell you honestly, it only 2 to 3 weeks lang po yung preparation ko. Talagang malakas lang yung loob ko since I already have hospital experience naman kasi I almost have 10 years experience sa hospital. At the same time, before ako nag-stop sa hospital, nagsi-CI din po ako sa EA. So, I think I have my edge naman. Kaya, yun, yung preparation ko talaga 3 weeks lang. Ang strategy ko lang po is Q-Banks. So, familiarize ko yung sarili ko sa mga questions and how to identify and eliminate the answer. So, yun lang. So, tinatry ko every day na at least maka-maintain ako ng 100 to 300 questions.
Wow.
So, actually, yun talaga yung nakatulong sa akin na para at least kahit paano mapasok ko yung NCLEX.
Wow. So manageable lang pala, no? Kahit working tayo, as long as focus tayo and consistent doon sa time frame ng ating exam preparation and review, we can actually make it.
Yes po. Actually, ano naman. Pero yung edge ko lang po kasi is I have my experience. So,
Wow.
some of the questions naman na-encounter ko sa hospital and na-apply ko. That's why I think na yung preparation ko is, and yung strategy ko is, I'm not sure kung pwede kong ma-recommend sa iba. Kasi it's worked for me since I already have my experience naman.
Wow.
So, yun yung advantage. Kaya medyo ang lakas ng loob ko nung sinabi ko na ay pagdating ng ATT ko, tapos sabi ko, sige po, pabook na po ako ng NCLEX. Then nag-focus po ako 2 to 3 weeks na review po yan. Intensive, medyo focus po talaga ako yan 4 to 5 hours a day or more than pa nga, sometimes 8 hours pa.
Wow, that's good. That's good to know, sir. Going back with your inquiry with us, you started your assessment process with us last November 5, 2024.
Yes po.
And then you passed the NCLEX recently, which is May 30. That's exactly 6 months, no? Ang bilis, no? From the time that you started and then ngayon USRN ka na. Can you tell us in detail how NASHA helps you with the processing of your application? And of course, you did your coaching with us with Sir AJ. So can you tell us a little experience about NASHA?
Okay. Actually, no one referred me to NASHA.
Wow.
It's just that it's pop up in my social media, Facebook. Then I try to message NASHA if they can help me process my application since I am working and I don't have time processing my application, and also I'm not that good in computer, making my own account. So that's why I look for any third party that will help me process my then all the third party, only NASHA replied my concern. Actually, they reply immediately and ask me and give me actually they gave me an idea how to process. That's so that's why I go with NASHA, even though actually I have no background regarding with NASHA. And I thankful enough that I choose NASHA. It's because they help me all my inquiries actually. From since day one, okay yung customer service nyo. Since na pagka nagpabook ako, tatawag agad sila, and then madali siyang sundin yung process. Wow. Actually, mas matagal pa nga ako mag-reply kasi sa inyo eh. Sometimes pagka nagme-message kasi kayo, then although nababasa ko naman since I'm working, medyo 2 to 3 days pa ako nagre-reply, pero pag ako ang nag-message sa inyo, wala pang 1 hour, magre-reply agad kayo. So yun, so medyo nakakaya. Pero anyway, thank you so much dahil nga doon, smooth lang yung naging process ko sa pag-take ko ng NCLEX. And then regarding kay Sir AJ, although nung sinabi ko kasi magti-take agad ako ng NCLEX, tinawagan niya agad ako actually. Sabi niya, okay sir, coaching agad tayo. Pero that time, hindi pa ako nagpabook. Then, he assessed me on my knowledge regarding NASHA, regarding NCLEX. Then, I told him that actually, hindi pa ako nag-start, pero magti-take na ako. So, yun, he encouraged me naman na, okay, since na gusto mo talaga mag-take, which is good naman, at least medyo andun yung lakas ng loob mo. So, ang kailangan mo lang is how to tackle questions. So, yun, binigyan niya ako ng mga ibang topics, binigyan niya ako ng some of the ideas, and especially yung mga, select all that apply question, kasi medyo yun yung bago. Yun yung wala sa local exam na nasa NCLEX. So, yun, binigyan niyo ako mga tips doon kung paano pipiliin yung mga tamang sagot at huwag lang basta-basta pipili. Kasi right minus wrong kasi yun eh. Usually, madidetect yun sa total points mo if di ka sigurado. So, so far, somewhat, it gives me strength naman na to take the NCLEX after ako i-coach ni Coach AJ.
Wow.
So, yun. Thankful pa rin ako na naging positive po yung result po.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much for that feedback, sir. We really appreciate. Ganoon naman talaga si Nasha. We want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. And later, pag-uusapan din natin yung next process, no? Yung visa screen, license endorsement, and getting an employer, no? Can you go back, sir, doon sa examination day mo? Anong number ka nag-stop? Anong oras ka nag-stop? How do you manage yourself? Para at least marinig ng ibang nurses preparing for the NCLEX. Baka may makuha silang aral or maybe strategy on how to manage themselves during the examination day.
Okay, so actually dumating ako sa venue 2 hours earlier.
Wow.
Kasi nga gusto ko sana ma-acclimate muna sa environment and the situation. However, nung pagdating ko kasi agad doon, they asked me if I'm ready to take the exam.
Yes.
Sabi ko naman, so sabi ko, I thought 5 pa yung schedule. Kasi sir, okay na sir kasi may mga computer naman available. So yun, nag-start ako ng 3 p.m. actually. Then, while ito na nga, nung ano ng mga screening, lahat ng mga ginagawa nila. So nung nag-start po ako, so medyo kinakabahan pa ako kasi I expect na mahirap talaga ang NCLEX, which is mahirap talaga kasi hindi siya familiar. Some of the questions are not familiar here in Philippines. Mababasa mo lang talaga sa libro. So, yung nag-start na po siya, pinanaktas ko kasi yung sarili ko, 300 questions na sinasagutan ko lang within 2.5 hours.
Wow.
So, wala kasi akong idea kung ano yung NCLEX. Yun yung totoo. So, akala ko kasi pabilisan. Hindi ko naman nakalain na kailangan ko ng 5 hours kasi sa mga exercise na ginagawa ko, as long na alam ko na yung sagot, kiniklik ko na agad. So, yun. So, nasa 80 na ako, mga nasa 80 to 85, actually 1 hour and 20 minutes pa lang yun. Hoping sana ako na mag-stop na. Kasi ang alam ko it's ang NCLEX is 85 or 150.
Yeah.
However, while nung nasa 85 na ako, hindi siya nag-stop.
Continuous pa rin.
Continue siya. So, umabot na ako ng 90 and 100, hindi talaga siya nag-stop. So, nasa 1 hour and 30 minutes na ako noon. Sabi ko, how come na hindi siya nag-stop? So, nag-start na ako mag-doubt sa sarili ko. Feeling ko, hindi ako papasa. Since na sumobra ng 85. Nasa 100 na ako. So, I still continue answering the questions until umabot ng 150. Pero it took me around, actually 2 hours and 35 minutes lang. Yun, yung 2 hours and 35 minutes lang, to tell you honestly, yung 150 questions, and I was not really expecting na makakapasa ako kasi nga, sobrang hindi po ako nag-expect. Kasi for me, ang iniisip ko nga, sige, anyway, may retake naman, magre-retake na lang ako. Kasi kung ano lang talaga yung naaral ko at ang alam kong tamang sagot, yun na, hindi na ako nag-overthink. First na pumasok sa isip ko, sinasagot ko kaagad. Then pag hindi ko talaga alam, hindi ko na pinapatayon yung sarili ko. Kaya yun din siguro dato umabot ng 150. But thankful po talaga ako sa result. Actually, gulat na gulat ako sa result. Na nakapasa po talaga ako. So, medyo malaking self-boost para sa akin.
Yes.
So, medyo naging confident ko nun.
Binigay talaga yun ni Lord sa iyo, sir. Knowing the preparation, parang ilang weeks lang, no? Yung mabilis from the time nag-start ka ng process, 6 months lang, no? And then at mabilis talaga yun. And then yung preparation mo pa na ilang weeks lang, talagang binigay yun ni Lord sa iyo. So, knowing all of these experiences, sir, and of course, yung experience natin, no, in doing the review while working and then taking the NCLEX, what are your message and advices to other medical professionals, nurses, planning to take the NCLEX? From a USRN.
Okay, for nurses who plan to take the NCLEX, ito lang message ko, huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong matakot sa NCLEX, just go for it and take the exam. Kasi medyo yun yung nagpapapigil sa atin, yung takot natin na medyo mahirap yung NCLEX. Kaya siya, possible siya, kaya siyang ipasa. Walang magiging imposible basta napasa nga natin yung local board exam, how much more pa kaya yung international exam.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your story. And we know a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same. And your journey is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone, sir. And congratulations in advance, sir, Gaylord. And we are looking forward and excited to see you in the coming months working as a registered nurse in the US po. Maraming salamat po, sir, for giving us your time and for sharing your story po.
Okay, thank you so much po din, sir, for giving me the opportunity to share my experience in taking the exam, especially NCLEX.